In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change sample sounds in BandLab. We'll walk through the exact path from sign-in to swapping out the sound on a pad, so you can refresh your project with the right samples quickly and confidently. Start by logging into BandLab. Make sure you're using the same account where your projects are saved, so everything loads correctly. Once you're in, head straight to your library, and this is the hub where all your projects live. Take a moment to find the project you want to update and open it. You'll be taken to a project overview. Now it's time to move into the creative space. Enter the studio. This is where you can edit, record, and arrange. Inside the studio, look for the Add Track button and click it. This is how you bring in a new sound source to your project. From the options that appear, select Sample. Choosing Sample sets up a pad-based sampler track designed for triggering short audio clips like drums, stabs, or vocal chops. You'll see a set of pads. Select the pad you want to change. Each pad holds one sound, and this is where the swap happens. After selecting the pad, you'll choose how you want to load the new sound. You can record it, upload it from your device, or browse the BandLab sound library. Keep in mind that while many sounds are free, some in the library are paid. If you choose record, use your microphone or an instrument input to capture a clean hit or phrase. Aim for a quiet environment, keep your input level out of the red to avoid clipping, and record a short, clear sound that will trigger well on the pad. If you choose upload, pick an audio file from your device or cloud storage. Common formats like WAV and MP3 work well. Short, punchy files are ideal for pads. Make sure you have the right to use the audio you upload. If you choose the BandLab sound library, browse categories and genres to find what fits your track. You can preview sounds before loading them, and when you find one you like, select it to place it on the pad. Remember, some sounds are paid, so check the label before you commit. Once the sound is loaded, tap or click the pad to audition it. You should immediately hear the new sample, ready to play inside your project. From here, you can continue building your track with the updated pad, confident that your sample swap is complete. That's all there is to it. Log in, open your project, enter the studio, add a sample track, pick a pad, and choose whether to record, upload, or use the library to load your new sound.